Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies I have. Hopefully everyone had a good deal or a good day. Everybody is safe. We got Prime Day kicking off right now, so definitely take advantage of the deals. See, I got a little mixed up there, but we got a new one here. This is Smart Fridge Lock. We got cards, palm vein. Never heard of that. This is a Anweller, I do believe. Smart fridge. Please register first. Unlock with the wave. Whoa. Okay. So you can keep your kitties out at night, or your husband, or your wife. Late night munchies. Lock it down. Or at work, maybe try it wherever you need to be secured your food. But I'm gonna do my mini fridge downstairs. That's where I'll be going in a minute. Here we go. I'm gonna need that for sure. Never did one of these. Whoa. Okay. I just hope it goes smooth. Got everything in here. Holy moly. See, we great for hotels. Motels, if they're still around. We got the card. We got a couple key cards. Bam. After sales. Put that aside. We got some kind of sticky tape for the pad for this little guy. Take a look. This is a camera? Oh lordy. Who would have thought to have a security camera on your fridge? We are living in interesting times, folks. And man, I'm gonna say hi. And the key card goes there. Alright. And USB right there. Where do I plug her in? Do 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 do. A little clippy. A little chippy. Oh boy. Does it go here? Uh-huh. Caca. How do I know if this is on? Maybe it's dead. Uh-oh. Is it stuck? Hold. Okay, I got it set up right. So this way it goes. Boom, boom. And the app you're going to use is that eSmartLink, which I showed you guys. Take these out. Get these ready to get swiped. No swiping, swiper. USB could go there right now. I think it's charged enough. We're going to need this to go downstairs with. And let me pull up the app right here. And you could do this add a device. Let it search its thing. Hopefully it's on. I'm not sure if it's on or save. Okay, maybe I gotta figure that out. Alright, maybe it did need a little recharge. So we got it there. Now we're gonna swing it on the app. Boom. Connect. Okay. Mini fridge. Here we are. The lock. Mini fridge right here. Okay, so palm vein. How do we do that? And to Stout. Please place your palm in front of the lock. Okay. Re-register. Got it. It shows we got stout right there. Sweet. Okay, that is good. Now we're going to do card management. And card stout.
Please keep the card close to the lock to complete the registration. Registration success.
Boom. See the card? Uh-oh. That works perfect. Now, we'll do this card. Alright, I'm trying to figure out, hold on.
Complete the registration.
Alright, now we're going to do
registration success.
See, now we got both cards set up perfectly, and the hand or the palm swipe is good. So we are ready to rock. Let's see. See this little thing that does magic right here. Listen to this. Give it a second. Come on, baby. There we go. Now we're connected. See? And now we're going to go downstairs. Alright guys, on the back here, you see these? Sticker. You want to untangle it. Peel this off. Stick it on the fridge. That's where we're going next. And same with this one. There's another one that is pulled off. So there's two. And you're good to go. Now, refrigerator. Alright guys, now we got it locked all the way there. So this is really cool. Don't mind the beeping. Oops. Here we go. See, it locks it. Boom. And now that's open. As you can see right there. Close it. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but we'll get it. Very easy to use. You can use this one. Oops. Maybe this one's not active. But you can switch it to make it active. eSmart. Right there. Okay. Mini fridge. Key card. And we can do the palm or unlock. See? We're good to go. So it's easy peasy, guys. If I could set this up in a few minutes, you guys can do it. Then we connect to the Bluetooth. But yeah, really cool new device. Let's see. There we go. I use the force. Bam. Make sure you lock it up. You're good to go. Alright, check them out. Link down below.